I love playing the piano. It's true. I love it. In a Costco, airports, hotel lobbies, friends' houses, anywhere. If there's a piano, I will play it. Especially outdoors. Then I can play as loudly as I want. It's liberating, being outside, with the wind and the birds. I saw a few of them while I was recording. I think they like it when I play. Anyway, we wanted to get a piano that we could play outdoors, but we didn't want the bugs and the weather to damage it. So, we came up with a solution. A piano with wheels. We had an Artesia digital upright piano that we bought a few years ago, but it isn't a good piano. It has poor touch sensitivity, and the keys don't feel like how they do on a normal piano. It also has some damage to the damper pedal that I got during our move, so we thought we would give it a second chance as our outdoor piano. This made it the perfect choice for the project. My dad built a stand for the piano. It was a birthday present. Thanks, Dad. He bought some wood from Home Depot and 4 caster wheels from Harbor Freight. It has wheels with brakes so it doesn't roll down the hill. And a lip around the edge of the stand so the piano doesn't slide off. We keep the piano in the garage when we're not using it, and I don't think it's affected the performance or the sound quality at all. Here's me, playing the piano outside throughout the year. This was an amazing gift. I prefer playing it in the spring and the fall. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.